Hi everyone, so today we're going to talk about getting involved on campus and making the most of your next 4 years. Where do we begin? Being a freshman in college can be intimidating because there's a lot going on, but we're going to talk about some simple things you can do to make the most of your next 4 years. We'll go over my source, subscribing to those college-specific emails, and then networking with your teachers and peers to find out more about opportunities and clubs on campus. So my source is a great place to start. It is an online website where you can find events, organizations, clubs, news, and more. You can also take quizzes to match common interests based on the answers that you provide with clubs on school. There are over 180 clubs here, so there's something for everyone. You can also find contact information if you do need more information on clubs that you're seeing. Here's a picture of what that looks like. Next, you're going to want to make sure that you subscribe to emails from your college of study. So for me, I'm in communication and information sciences. Every week, they send out weekly emails that look like this to let me know of events that are coming up and then important dates that are coming up looking ahead. So you're really going to want to make sure that you read over these. You can also apply to put other relevant information on there or suggestions of stuff that you would like to see. Last, you're going to want to make sure that you network. Every teacher I've ever had here is absolutely fantastic, and some of them are actually professionals in the industry that I was interested in with my study. So let them know that you're interested. Let them know what you're wanting to do. They have great connections. They are great references. And also don't be afraid to explore online. Alabama's website for contacts of teachers or other people that have desired positions that you might be interested down the road, or to see what kind of openings and internships they provide. Here's an example of an email from a teacher that reached out to me regarding an event that he thought I might be interested in. And here's some screenshots of me reaching out to an advisor that we had here on campus 2 years ago. She worked in athletics and that was what I was interested in. So I sent her an email. She emailed me back to let me know of internship opportunities she was offering. And I am still an intern today because of this, a student assistant with the athletics department. So make sure you get involved, get connected. It's super easy. Use the resources that we have. Make sure you reach out to people. I highly encourage you to get involved so you can make friends, you can learn new things, and get valuable experience for the future. Thanks for watching.